Over the past few weeks in 5W, our class has been learning about what it takes to have a democracy.
Some of your topics had some very interesting content, which surprised me. I mean, politics isn't the most riveting of subjects, although one thing I did think was of interest was the ballot counters. The people that help to organise the counting of votes can sometimes do over 13-hour days.
To really understand what democracy is, we were put to the task by our teacher, Mr. Sargent. We were put into 5 groups, with each group needing a leader, builder and 2 gatherers.
How did we choose these roles, you ask? We voted, of course. The task was to build a Parliament House which included a grand entrance for people to be captivated to the beauty that was the building, a House of Representatives and a Senate for any new laws to be discussed, offices and an area for our staff to work and relax.
Hi, welcome to our Federal Parliament House. Our house was built by Savannah, Joe, Malia and myself, Sienna. It's been decorated and we have 2 fountains to the side. We got a reception area and up the stairs is a office and our library. Down this hallway you will see the Senate and House of Representatives. This is the Senate, where people talk about making new laws. In the House of Representatives, you will see the crossbench and the Speaker's table. This is our library. We research and work here. This is our picnic area where we relax from our work. This is our Federal Parliament House. It was built by Carly, Lucy, Chase and Zach. This is the foyer, library and receptionist area. This is the toilets. This is one of the 3 offices we have. This is the main hallway to the Senate, House of Representatives and veranda. This is the Senate, where we pass out bills for new laws. This is the House of Representatives, where the bills are created. This is the office garden, where staff can relax and eat their lunch.
Hi, this is our Parliament House designed by Damon, Nikita, Alira and Charlie J. Here is our front foyer for guests to check in when they arrive. Here is our Senate, where members of Parliament come to pass new laws. Here is the House of Representatives, where members of Parliament come to create new bills. Because of all our employees, we have a huge office space.
This is our Parliament House. It was built by me, Jacob, Charlie H and Lockie J. We have a car park and a grand entrance to welcome visitors, as well as a reception and the Black Rod. Welcome to the Senate. This is where bills are approved. This is the House of Representatives, where members of Parliament go to talk about making bills into laws. This is a very sanitary public bathroom. This is where the staff have lunch.
Welcome to our Federal Parliament House. It was built by Alana, Ryan, Chelsea and Leanne. So this is our front area. As you can see, it has lots of flowers. So here is the main room. As you can see on the right, there's an office, and under the stairs there is a fire. Here's our second story. We have the House of Representatives and Senate. You can see, it kind of looks like a 3rd story, but we have a massive library, and on top of our library we have a chillax area.
This project showed our class that we can work together in groups to achieve a common goal, and that we can be resilient by pushing through the hard times that we face together.
It showed us that we may not all be best suited for certain roles or duties, but every person in each group was important and had a key role in helping to finish our task.